Guys, special Mamod here, back for another video on the channel today. And today featuring my Mamod SW1. Got to do some minor repairs to it as it doesn't work very well. Here's the thing. Doesn't work very well at the moment, so I've got to do a few minor repairs to it. Get it working properly again. And then might be able to get it going. So here I have some cotton swabs. First what I need to do is get this off. So this here needs to come off. So I don't know what's going to be best to get those positions right, but but do my best to try and get you guys the best view possible. So this is all linked up on one thing, isn't it? Now this is shorter, so I don't know if that's just gonna... Oh, it did. Okay guys, that's that out. Then doesn't look too bad if I'm honest. Just need a little cloth or cotton pad, whatever, just to wipe the end of that off. You see all the gunk on that, but it needs to be nice and clean. I'm going to put some more on it, but it just needs to be nice and clean. Now we get our... Oh, just dropped that one foot. Oh well. Now we get our cotton bud. Grab one like this. Get the end of the cotton bud, and what we're going to do is in that hole. You might want to move that out of the way. We're just going to put it up there. Look at all that gunk, guys. We're just going to clean all this gunk out of here. Alright, yeah, well, it's not focused, isn't it? Whatever, but it's very dirty. Very gunky, you can probably see, even though it's focused. I just need another one because these do not last very long. I'm not going to turn that over because I'm not going to get gunky. I don't want to get gunky hands, do I? So just wipe that all out in there, like that. Right, so make sure she's nice and clean. Yeah, what dirt. Okay, we've got two dirty things. So now we can get the shaft again. And we'll give it another little wipe just to be sure. Get a wipe, get a thingy out again. Cotton pad. You're just gonna wipe all that grease off. Let's twist that in there. Wipe all that grease off of there. That mark and everything that on there. The end as well. Make sure she's nice and spotless. This is the best of my two steam engines. The SE2. I thought I'd take a break off of working on that today. That's currently in another part. Ooh, all my oil's just leaked everywhere, guys. Okay. Guys, this sets the scene for the whole video. What I'm going to have to do now, just wipe this up with my cloth. I'll clean it out later. Okay, so we'll tilt it the other way. It's going to get everywhere. lube the end of this. Pour some lube onto there. Perfect. Now, pour a bit of lube into that hole as well. Oh, it's gone everywhere again, guys. Bit of lube in that hole. And you just put in there. Just move it backwards and forwards. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get a wipe. Okay, I've got a wipe. My hands are a bit messy now, obviously, as you can probably imagine, because my oil keeps spilling everywhere. I'm going to buy some more soon anyway, guys, so it's not going to last too long. Okay. Put that down there, just get this wipe. Just wipe off the thing on the surface so yeah, best as we can. It's not flammable, so when we go to light this, it should not set alight. And you'll probably see it smokes. This one does smoke. Guys, if you have any recommendations as how to stop it from smoking, let me know. But all I'm saying is I'm not taking this off because I can't bother to do any rivets. Because I don't have a rivet gun for one, and two, I'm probably going to break something if I try and do rivets. And this thing is a family heirloom, so if I break this, I'm in for a whole heap of trouble with my dad and that. Okay, guys. So now, twist that there, pull it out enough. Bend it out, get it in the right position, so pull it, bend it, without breaking anything obviously, guys. There, it's on. Right. So it's nice and clean in there. So this should, in theory, run a little bit better now. Got my hands again. So you don't need any spanners, and I got them out. Put them there. My hands are greasy again. Oh well. Put the lid on the broken oil. Oil back in. I had this run, guys, the other day, so I shouldn't have to run it again with loads of oil. Seeing as what I've just done. So, guys, so now what we are. Really, I'll turn it around. I have got the top part for this, and it's there, but I just hardly ever put it on, guys. So first, to boil the conveniently filled kettle. So you guys can hear that going on in the background. If I talk louder. This is a bit better for you. Okay, so get this bucket. Percy Pig, because we love Percy Pig. Of course, you've got to have good old Percy Pig Easter bucket, haven't you? Get your methylated spirits. Methylated spirits. Bird brand. Cheapest I could find anywhere nearby. And you just pour this into her. If you spill any, that's why you do it over the bucket. And basically just pour it into the gravy bit. You just pour that in there, and that will suck up anything that it can, which it is doing. And And then anything we don't use, tip like that. Okay. Right. Get a rag. Just wipe it down. Just seeing as methylated spirits is a flammable substance, we do not want to be setting half the garage on fire. And then we leave this out for now, because as you guys will figure out, I think I've got to take this back bolt out, so you can't see that, can you? You can now. So you take the back bolt out. The washers I've got aren't great, I'm going to buy some new ones at some point. But they work for now. I haven't done this up properly, so that just pops out. And then get my jug, which I don't know where to put it. Oh, guys, I've lost my jug. What do I do, guys? What do I do? Ah, I found it. Okay. Found the jug. So now, jug. Boiled water goes in to jug. Not loads though. Save some for when you run it again if you do. Funnel. Oh, on the floor. That's not where you want it to go. Funnel. Tiniest thing in the world. Oh well. In the hole. Jug of boiling water. Into funnel. Now I'm going to put you guys in a different position. When you start to see all this water come out the back there, tell me, alright? So you guys be watching that, and you tell me when it starts coming out. Is it coming out yet? Oh, it is. Thank you. Screw that in. Nice and tight, because if not that's going to leak. You don't want it to leak. Boiling hot funnel, out. It's not actually that hot. Chuck it in there. Seeing as I might run this again with some fresh boiling water, get the water, chuck it back in kettle. I haven't yet got distilled water, guys, so the steam engines don't run as well because I ain't got distilled water quite yet. Okay. Now you get your pre-filled methylated spirits thing. Put that in there. Okay. Now, this is where it can get dangerous. So, I'm going to use this. You don't have to use this. It's just quicker for me to do. So, I'm going to put the gas on. Light your flame. Put it away. That is lit. You can see, sort of, maybe. See the flame there, can't you? Okay. Now we put that in there. Okay. And we wait for this to spark into life. Put the jugs away. I'm not going to put the lid on, but it's here anyway, guys. Just so you know, I've not lost it. It's not an incomplete set. I have got it all. I just choose not to use it all, okay? It's not too hard to touch at the front yet. So we can put you here, okay? I'm going to wipe my hands. Shout out to Sandy Cloth. Best wipes I've ever found. Huge shout out to Sandy Cloth. Best wipes ever. Huge shout out to the people I bought them from. They are a seller in the South Coast. I just happened to go down there once and they had some in stock, so I bought them. I think they also have a Whatnot auction where they run them on there as well, and you can get postage and everything on them, but okay. So you see a smoke in a bit. Can you see that? Not really. You'll see it in a minute. But it smokes a lot. So, if you guys, or you can sort of see it, up there, or vapour, look, all that, yeah, you can see it. It's not coming out the funnel. The funnel isn't even, not hot at all in there. Just let this heat up. So if you guys have anything that you could say to stop this from doing it, let me know. I've cleaned out all in those holes there. I've cleaned all that out. I've cleaned underneath as best I can. But still a little bit. I'm going to put a new washer on the whistle, which is my next port of call. It's a new whistle washer. A wishy washer. I don't know. It's a tongue twister, that one. Okay. So you guys, let me know if there's anything you could think of. Get some pliers, shall we? Just want to burn yourself. We'll get some pliers, guys. Should we try and give her a little toot-toot? Not yet, guys. Not got anything yet. I have got this. This is a steering rod. So the idea of this is that goes in a little thing in there. Little rod down that hole. You can see that, can't you? And you screw it in. I need to turn the wheels. I'm not going to screw it in all the way, guys, because I'm not going to bother. But that's the idea of that for you, just in case you were curious. Nearly there, guys. And also, the end of this can also double up as a thing. You put it in there, and you can toot it. Yeah? I always recommend tooting it, or whatever you call this sort of that, to get it going, to make sure, well, not whatever, to make sure you've got enough pressure. You can see it all oozes out of there a little bit. I haven't yet come to a conclusion as to what that could be yet. I'm going to try and tighten up a few things. Guys, it's ready. Put it in here. It's a bit spitty, guys. New turner. Where she goes. Need some working juice, guys. Go and choose it. Worked very well. All just oozing everywhere out of that, guys. I'm gonna try and get this working. I'll report back in a minute. Just start going. Got to go eventually. Still gonna go. Good old working juice. Bluebee oil. Shout out to them. Shout out Bluebee oil. Best oil. Flush through. I think that's because she had oil in her, guys, so she wasn't going to run very well because she was soaking oil. And that's so guys, because she was soaking oil in there, she can't run oil obviously, so now she's got water going through it, it'll get better. Sounds a bit better now, because I've had all that off and cleaned it and moved it and everything, so it sounds a bit better now, so I reckon I need to put this stuff away, even though I've now leaked the load all over my butane gas lighter and everything else. No, I haven't put the gas away in all these guys, because you don't want to breathe in these methylated spirits things, and if you breathe in them, then you always know. still running fine, it's just getting the work to do, so I won't actually do anything just because it's run out of steam. It's the best way I find, because the gears don't work very well on this at the moment, just do that. Because the gears are a bit dodgy. Let the steam build up. Oozes out there a little bit, but I think I just need to tighten that bolt up a little bit because it's getting loose. Take it off again. Should go for a bit longer, guys. Do a little bit more. Not going to do it too much because it's very loud for you guys. I don't want to hurt your eardrums because that won't be very long. I'll get a very good YouTube reputation and I want to sort of get all the views I can, make everyone happy. Nice little place for you to come in evenings after work or after school or whatever and just come watch the idiot with his mammals. Come watch the idiot with his mammals, guys. See that working, can't you? Running out of steam now. So she turned her mind, repairs done, and she's getting there slowly. She's not the greatest. But she's been sat in the loft 45 years. Thereabouts and running. That whistle would cease up to hazards and not going to run well, she wouldn't work, so I'm not bothered. Try and get it going again. There you go. Won't last very long, guys, but we will get going. Put it into slower gear. Getting off, guys. Just one. Right. Now we do the cool down procedure. I'm going to pause it because I have to blow the whistle. So, first, quickly before I pause you, to pull this out, and then blow it. That is now safe. Okay. We're going to now let all the steam pressure out. Most steam pressure's now out, guys. She's dying down now. And she's died down. Okay. Nothing. Okay. So get your pliers, because it's going to be very hot. And just to make sure there's no extra steamies, you're going to take your safety valve away. But you're not going to take it all the way off because it's now safe to remove because you've let all your steam pressure out of the whistle. Pull it out for a few seconds and just drop it back in there. Don't screw it, just drop it in there. And then really I should empty the water, but I'm not going to. I'll do it and I use it again. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you're all going well. I'll try and get back on there next weekend, if not it will be sometime next month. And thank you.